What area are you from? Are you from Jamaica, Marvin Lee, or where are you from? Hi, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, nice, nice. Where in Jamaica are you from, Marvin? What parish? So CH12 says, will you be having a lot more interviews? I like your interviews so far. Okay, thank you so much, CH12. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan, to have a lot of interviews. The only thing is that, I have a few persons who definitely don't want to be showing their faces. So I'll be doing, audio with them as well. And hopefully, the ones who are okay with, doing an actual video with me, then I will definitely get them on the channel. But that's the thing. That's the thing I want to do on the channel, just to have like audio and visuals, videos that they can, share their stories through. So, oh, you're from Old Arbor? Okay, in St. Catherine. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, because I know it's what, about 8:45 now in Jamaica. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. Are you a nurse though, Marvin? So CH12, I realize you've been asking a lot of questions regarding, the channel and all. What area are you in? Do you want to be a part of the platform where you're sharing your story growing up, or just a day in the life of whatever profession you're in? Thank you so much, Ashley. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really do appreciate that. How are you doing, Ashley? Yeah, so I definitely want persons to call in. And just in case, let me see. If anybody wants to call in right now and share anything, let me give you a number that you can call me on. And we will go live. How does that sound? Triple K imagery and live streaming. Hi, says hi, Stacy. How are you doing? Oh, you're a field technician. Okay, nice, nice. Why you're laughing, Marvin? You don't think you're cut out to be a nurse? Hmm? Yeah, we have some really strong men in nursing, We have some really strong men in nursing. So I think you will be fine either way. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I don't know who wants to call in, but the number you're going to be calling on is 469. I don't know how to pin this thing, but it's 469-209-9257. All right. And then you can call and share your day with me and the other persons on the channel here. All right. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and dial that number, and let's see how the first live goes with someone. Or Marvin, are you wanting to call? Can you call? Call me and tell me your day. Tell me your day as a field technician. As I said, the number is 469-209-9257. New Orlando. Oh, you're in Orlando. No. Thank you so much. Enjoy your night though, Marvin Lee. Thank you so much. Ashley says, do you have a dog? If you do, then what's his name? Oh, Ashley, no, I don't have a dog, unfortunately. I don't have a dog. Seem like you're a dog lover, Ashley. Triple imagery and live streaming says, I am well, thanks for asking. How are you? Well, nice videos. Thank you so much, Triple K. Really do appreciate that. And then CH312 says, will you interview some of your subscribers? Oh, definitely. I've been asking you, CH312, what area are you in? So I definitely want to go ahead and interview some of my subscribers. Mix Up Boss, thank you so much for tuning in. How are you doing? Oh, my number, it's 469-209-9257. And people, if you haven't subscribed to this channel as yet, this gentleman, Mix Up Boss, go ahead and check out his channel. He has some really, interesting people calling in and sharing their story and, giving insight on the topic. So, you can go over there and listen. So it's Mix Up Boss. I think it's one word. Mixupboss. All right. So check out his channel. He's a Jamaican YouTuber. And I got a little bit of inspiration. So it's 469-209-9257. Probably, hold on. I'm gonna, probably it won't. I don't know how to, pin message. No, not that one. I'm trying. Let me see. You know that this thing here, I'm not really 100% pin message. How on earth do I do this? Okay. Okay. That's my WhatsApp. I'm not seeing it coming up. But I cannot see it coming up. All right. So let me see here. Hold on. Is this in WhatsApp? Okay. Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, nurse.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Thank you so. Thank you.
For you to pin the number, you have to sign in with the next device.
Oh.
So you got to sign in with 2 phones with the said account.
Okay.
And then you can write in the chat, and then you click on the picture. Just tap it, and it will show pin message.
Okay. So let me.
So when you're not be alive, you just sign in with 2 devices. If you have 2 phones, just use it sign in on your YouTube account. So
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Nice.
What are you talking about tonight?
Oh, so me just basically I'm just basically just checking in. Hold on, let me turn on this one. I am just basically checking in with my people. So I was just kind of talking about like, social security. It was just like a general, So it wasn't really anything much, but how are you?
I think of something you talk about. Somebody just want like give my 2 cents.
Oh.
The social security, I live in Jamaica, so we don't know nothing about that.
But let me tell you, you can tell me about your day, how your day went,
My day was okay. I went for my son. My son, me just done finish homework. I'm about to start my live stream in 2 minutes. So that's cool. And then I saw you and I said, let me just come over,
come check in. Yeah. Okay, I really do appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. Yeah.
Some guys over there.
Yes, I saw a few persons who said they're from your channel, so I really do appreciate that.
Anything to do with nurse, I'll be a nurse pack up over there. Everything will go on with nurse and you give some good input and insight about nursing.
Yeah, I try to be.
Pop up on my algorithm and I say, oh, the lady, I'm here, she said. And then I start listening and I go through everything and say, oh, she not sound bad. She sound very intelligent.
Okay.
Articulate and sound, so like somebody where I reach far.
Okay.
Put in the work, man. You're going to reach far on YouTube, you know?
Thank.
Sometimes you do a little thing, and if it's one little thing in a media where you want
Uh-huh.
adjust certain way, you just do it on a level where you're not bash nobody, but you just be in fear.
Fear. Mm-hmm.
And yeah, your thing will grow, man. Take it. Remember when we have 1,000 subscribers, 1,006, 2,000, 3,000, until we reach 100. It just blow up.
It just blow up overnight.
Yeah. From the switch to the stories, them man, it give me the. Trust me, yeah, man.
I did got the inspiration because I was sitting down and I was like, you know, I definitely wanted to do the StreamYard, but then a lot of persons didn't want to do the video, you know, so I went ahead and was like watching your video and it just came to my thought that what about persons who don't want to show their face? And I realized that a lot of persons. Yes. Yes. So I know a lot of persons wanted to share their story, but they're like, oh no, I'm not really a social media person. So
Attack, you know?
Yes.
And some of the people they might undocumented and they don't really want to show
showed yes. And the other thing is, you know, when it come on to person sharing them story and person seeing them, you don't know the company that they're working with. You know, especially if they're gonna say something that probably is not in alignment with their mission statement or anything like that. So I just wanted it to be, you know, but at the same time I don't want it to be too much of you know. But I really do appreciate you taking the time out though to begin me up and all them stuff there, you know. We should link up one day, hopefully, you know. Because I see you do No, that's a Google number. It's a Google number. So what I did was to do the Google number because I'm not too sure how many persons are gonna be calling, you know, because of calling sick. So I was just trying that out, and then once persons confirm that they want. Go again.
You need a number. Once them text, then get it on WhatsApp.
Well, I have another number, but I wasn't so sure if I should start out with that or Google. So I wanted to kind of talk with you regarding how you went ahead with your process, you know, regarding certain things.
All right, tell you what. Me and you, I'm going to do my show. You take a hour. If you're not sleep, show back. If not, we talk tomorrow. I'm tell you some tips and some ways how to do some things, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right. Then tomorrow. Yeah, man. Yeah. Thanks so much for calling.
No problem.
All right, so thank you so much, Mix Up Boss. So yes, people, so thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, just go ahead and double tap the screen, you know, to give the video a thumbs up. But this was just a general, you know, a quick check-in with everybody just to see how things are going in. Marvin Lee says, can I get work by your hospital as a porter? So I don't work at a hospital, but there are a lot of hospitals around town that yet, you know, definitely, yes. There are a lot of work there. Work not short, may I tell you. Work not short. It's just that sometimes, you know, they're probably not going to pay you well. That's the only thing. But there's a lot of hospitals that do need porters, you know, that you can check in with. Yeah. And then Benjamin Rivera, what are your her. All right, Benjamin, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hi, Craig Hoyt. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule, you know. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna be trying to get my channel, get some little bit more insight on how to get this